Okay, class 8, let's continue our chapter number 1, representation of geographical features. In the previous video, you come to know about the steepness of the slope and gentle and steepness of the slope. Now here we'll talk about gentle slope and steep slope, right? And with the help of contour lines, how will come to know or how will identify the physical features present there, right? Okay, let's start. Gentle slope, it's written here, and here steep slope. Gentle slope means when a degree or an angle of slope of a feature is very low, the slope will be gentle. The contours representing this type of slope are far apart. Now see this contour lines, they are what? Far apart, right? They are not closely packed as compared to this figure. See the contour lines, they are closely spaced or closely packed, right? And these are far apart. So this contour lines show that the physical feature present in that area has gentle slope. But if you see this, what you'll find, or what you find here, this physical feature has steep slope. Just see here, this is gentle slope and this is steep slope, right? Clear, everybody? Now let's move to the activity. What is that on the screen, class 8? Yeah, these are contour lines. With the contour heights, it's given there 400, 300, 200, 100. So these contour heights are in ascending order: 100, 200, 300, 400, right? Now why I have made these contour lines here? Because we are going to do one activity, and from this activity you'll come to know how contour lines help to find out, to identify the presence of physical features, right children? So I want everybody be with their notebook and just note down this figure. Write down here 100, 200, 300, 400. So these are in meters, right? Contour heights are in meter. Okay, so with the help of these contour heights, these contour lines, we are going to find out the physical feature present there. Okay, let's start. Okay, the very first step to do is just put a scale there at the center of that circles, right? And from here to here you are going to mark a line there, horizontal line, from this end to this end, from the center, right? Like this. Clear? Okay. Okay children, next step is what you are going to do. Horizontal line you have already marked. Now just make a line from this end to this end, this vertical line, right? And just close this figure like this. Take this base as 0. Then you'll take 1 centimeter, mark 1 centimeter in this line, 1 centimeter gap here and 1 centimeter gap here, right? Okay. Now just mark this as 0, then 100, 200, 300, 400. The scale should be like this only, right? The scale should not be like 0 here and then 100, 200, 300, 400. Not like that. The scale should be always like this in the upper side ascending order. 0, base is 0, 100, 200, 300, 400. Likewise here also in this vertical line, 0, then 100, 200, 300 and 400, right? So now what should be the length of these vertical lines? So that depends on the upper limit of the scale, right? So here we have 400, so we have taken this much length only of these vertical lines. And if there is 800, then we would have taken more length, right? So that depends on the upper limit, maximum number, right? Okay, now next step is you are going to join all these points, 100 with 100, 200 with 200, 300 with 300 and 400 with 400. See those four horizontal lines. So in this way you are going to join those points, 100 with 100, 200 with 200. Why 100 with 100 and 200 with 200? Because you all know that the contour lines are what? Contour lines are imaginary lines that join the places having equal or same heights, right? Is that clear? Okay, that is why you are not going to join 100 with 400 or 100 with 200, right? 100 with 100, 200 with 200, 300 with 3 and so on, right? Okay, now next. Okay, this is your figure, children. Now what you're going to do is, are you seeing this 100 contour line? Now from this end you are going to make vertical line here, dash line till this end, right? 100 line, and from this end to this 100, right? Same like that in this 200 contour line, from this end to 200 line, and from this end 200 contour line to this 200 horizontal line, right? And this 300 to 300 line, and make vertical line from this end of 300 contour line to this horizontal 300 line. Okay, this figure will come out after joining this vertical lines with this horizontal lines, right? So 100 to 100, and from this end of 100 contour line to this end of 100, right? And put a dot there. Same like that, 200 with the 200 line, 200 the 200 line, 300 to 300 line, and 300 300 line, and last is 400. It is obvious that 400, the meeting point will be here and here, right? So put a dot there. Now what you are going to do is you are going to join all these points. After joining these dots, roughly you can join from here or you can join from here, right? So makes no difference. So join these dots, and what figure comes out? Ignore this part, you just see and tell what figure is this. So this figure is valley or depression, right? Okay children, this much for today. We'll continue with the new topics in the next video. Thank you.